In a quiet village on the edge of a vast magical forest lived a poor shoemaker named Elias. He was known for his skill in making the finest shoes, but his life was simple and drab. His shop was small and cozy, filled with the scent of leather and the soft light of an old lantern. One stormy evening, as Elias was closing his shop, a mysterious figure entered the shop in a tattered, faded cloak. The stranger's voice was deep and muffled as he placed an old and worn pair of shoes on the counter. "These are no ordinary shoes," the stranger said. "They were worn by a great adventurer who could leap mountains, walk on water, and never tire. They are magical, but they are broken. Fix them, and you will be rewarded beyond your dreams." Curiosity awoke in Elias's heart. He examined the shoes and found that they were engraved with many intricate carvings, which glowed faintly in the dim light. Elias spent 7 days and 7 nights repairing them, bringing them back to life with his finest tools and moonlight and moon thread. When the shoes were finally completed, they began to glow with a magical glow. Elias could not help but wear them. As soon as he put them on, he felt a surge of energy. The world outside his shop changed. The trees began to whisper, the stars began to shine brighter, and the air carried the scent of distant lands. At that moment, the stranger reappeared, his cloak now shining as if it were made of strings. "You have repaired the shoes and proven your worth," he said. "These shoes are now for a new adventurer, one who has a pure heart. They are yours now, Elias. Use them properly." Before Elias could say anything, the stranger disappeared, leaving only a small trail of golden dust. Elias's life was changed forever. With these magical shoes, he travelled far and wide, helping those in need, discovering hidden places, and living stories that would be told for generations. And so the simple shoemaker became known as Elias the Wanderer, whose feat brought magic and hope to the world.